Yeah, I was about to ride my bike down the Precious Trail. Like that lady had a career and was married to a doctor, and they was working at McDonald's in Yellowstone. She said she'd have wished they'd have just done it the whole time.
Well, that doctor, the first doctor we went to with Holly's knee, he asked, "You graduated yet?" She said, "I actually graduate here in a couple weeks." I said, "Oh, what you gonna do?" She said, "Well, I'm halfway towards my electrical technology degree at Calhoun." He said, "That is awesome. If I had it all to do over again, I'd probably do something like that too." He said, "You get a job right out." He said, "I look around and he said, people that have learned a trade and maybe open their own business," he said, "or work at a small business." He said, "They're as good off as I am." He said, "And they didn't have the extra years of school and the payments," and he said all that.
I would have gotten the heavy water.
She turned all kinds of sideways.
Be smart to squat down, keep from falling and hurting something. Oh, flying. Oh, he jumped. He did. Man, he went deep. All right, I'm letting you go.